back again at the Hyatt Place, Ontario, California. Now, I've stayed in this hotel a lot of times, so let's give a little tour. So on the left-hand side, when we enter the room, is where the sitting area is. There's also a pull-out couch there, so it's very, very nice if you have someone needing to stay over. And then on the right-hand side of the room here, there's a kitchenette area. So there's the coffee maker with a sink. And then underneath, there's also a fridge. Keep in mind that these fridges might actually have a little bit of ice in the back, so your drink might be frozen. So be careful when you put your drink in there. Check to make sure that it's not frozen in the back. Moving more forward, on the right hand side, on the right hand side is a sitting area, and this is where you can eat, do your business, or anything like that. Moving more forward, on the right hand side is the TV area, and then underneath the entertainment area you can find the the ice bucket and stuff like that. And then venturing more forward to the right hand side is where there's the sink area. Let me turn on the light so you guys can see it. So sink area. To the right, there's the closet, which has the ironing board, and some coat hangers. And then in this door on the left-hand side is where you can find the shower and the toilet. The shower amenities are attached to the wall, so can't take them home with you, unfortunately, but it's all good. All right, so the last but not least thing of this room is this big king-size bed. Now, the pillows are kind of wonky. Sometimes they can be kind of iffy, but however, it's a pretty comfortable bed. So, and then there's a window AC here, which is pretty loud when you actually do use it. So definitely turn on the fan so it constantly blows, so you can actually sleep rather than having it turn on and off. And then here is the view. So this side of the building is actually way much more quieter than the other side. The other side is a freeway. So if you can, get placed on the side that is the Ontario Mills Mall. So that's what I would suggest. And what I would suggest is booking this place on points. It's 8,000 points, and that's an amazing value.